Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7, and we are all ready and set to climb the Peduase Mountains over there. And so today I'm going to do this with you guys. Come along, let's climb together and burn some calories. Let's do this, guys. Hola! So guys, we are through with the 5,000 steps. Yes, it's rather unfortunate the inscription for the 5,000 steps has been taken up. Sadly, that's where it usually be. But then we are done with the 5,000 steps and we are right on top of the mountains. Yes, as you are seeing over here. And so guys, how do you burn your calories? Let me know in the comment section. This is one of the steps I actually go by, burning calories. And so that's it. We are actually continuing with the other activity for good life. And so let's go on, yeah? So right here, don't you have a taste? That's really good. Catch you later on. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, so heading back home. Yes, that's my beloved balcony. All right, let's go home. By the way, I am so tired and heated. I need something to cool down. Guess where I'm heading? Okay, so guys, I'm done swimming, heading back to the room and get all ready for the next activity on my itinerary today. Yes, it was so refreshing. Yeah, so see you. Okay, so guys, my breakfast is ready and I can't wait it again. You are invited. The local, this is ayo, cocoa and buff fruits. Yes, a local breakfast you would see by the street here in Ghana. ready to wrap a party tonight, and you know how we do it, yeah? So get ready with me. Let's do this. All set. Yes, ready for the party. So come along, let's do this. Yep. So guys, that's how we wrap up for vlog day 7. See you tomorrow for the next adventure. Remember to stay positive, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. It's a wrap.